me, sir. Tell me. Yes.
I do have a question, but it's on the schema. I realize that when you create a new schema on the database, it doesn't
Yes.
show up before you create table inside the schema. Is that how it's supposed to be?
No, it shows actually. It shows.
No,
Let me show
it's
you
just,
where to.
okay.
Go to database. Inside a particular database, you need to go to security. Okay, this one, security. There you see the schemas.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. All right. And I do have another question too on the indexes. You know, you
Yes, please.
said indexes enhance and optimize query execution, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes.
So my question is, if you have table without indexes, what can happen? Or let's say if you have something that says if you get an alert from a user saying that query is running slow, does anything have to do with indexes? Do you have to create indexes to make the query better or something? I mean,
I understand. I still remember my childhood. Like, when my textbook has that index page missing, it's hard for my mom to search for a particular chapter and tutor me. You got what I mean? Index
yeah.
is like, just like the table index is like index of a textbook. It
Okay,
makes the
right.
things easier, right? You got my point. Like the sorting becomes easier with index. Getting it?
Okay, so pretty much if you have indexes like a content of the book, when you open the book, it make easier
Yes,
for you to find where the topic is or where. Okay.
exactly. Exactly. The brain of SQL server called query optimizer, right? You remember this term, query optimizer, everyone, please. Yesterday's class
Yes.
notes. Query optimizer, last line of indexes book, indexes concept. Yes.
Right.
The main component will identify the index and it will be using the index internally to get the exact data you need from the table easily by using the index. If index is not there, there will be some trouble for this query optimizer to identify the best way to execute the queries. It obviously impact performance. Okay, Randy. Yes. Randy.
Right. That's what I was trying to know. Yes. So without
Perfect.
indexes, performance might be slow. I get it. Okay.
Yes, will be slow. Not might be, will be slow.
Yeah, it will be
Okay,
slow. Yeah, because
100%.
the indexes make it better for you to find whatever you're looking for. Okay.
Exactly, sir. You are right. Right. Exactly. Yes, you are right.
All right. Thank you.
Pleasure, sir. Next question, please. Others, before we start our class now. Others, please. Any more questions? Please, I'll start. I'll wait.
Hi, Sai. I am going to drop now for doctor's appointment. I will watch your video later, okay?
Surely. Why not? Sure, no problem. Sure.
Yeah,
Please.
I sent you some questions on your WhatsApp chat as well. If I get the response for that, I appreciate.
Sure. Surely, after a couple of hours, once I'm done with all my classes and my day, I'll be on to my WhatsApp and reply to every message. I'll do. Sure. After the class.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yes. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine. Let's get started now. Yesterday, we learned the types of indexes. And the type of index and the type of constraints as well, right? Kinds of constraints. Here it is. Whenever we create a database, come on, do you remember, please? Whenever we create database, what happens internally? 2 files will be auto created, right? Data file, log file. You remember, please, everyone? Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Let's continue. Next, connect to the database. And yesterday we learned the purpose of primary key, not null, check. And we also learned how to test the primary key. You try to execute once again for the same ID value, you have duplicate. Then we also learnt about null value, right? See, course name should not be null. You try to insert null, you get error. Then we also learned how to check or how to test the check constraint. Value should be 120 or 180. Anything else we get error. Next. Sorry, is my voice clear, everyone, please? Is my voice clear, everyone, please? Let me
Yes,
know,
sir.
please. Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's continue with this. Yeah. Next, how to create students table. What is this? Let me take you back to our yesterday's scenario. Just wait. And please stay tuned to my WhatsApp channel. We'll be uploading one video today in our WhatsApp channel, an interesting one in case you're looking for questions for experience profiles. We'll be uploading in another half an hour to 1 hour by our team, just in case. If you want WhatsApp channel link, just remind me after the class today, I'll do it anyway. Back to our questions now, back to our point here. Let's go to our yesterday's notes. We are learning about the constraints yesterday, and we came across a scenario requirement. Let's wait. Here it is on my screen. Right, this is our requirement yesterday. We are supposed to design a university database with courses, students referencing courses, and staff referencing courses, right? These three. How do we do that? Let's see. A simple process. We already got the middleman courses. Now let's see students. Okay. Second table. Third table you will try today. Okay, you'll try it in another few minutes. In next 10 minutes, you'll try the third table. Let me show you students table, the second table. I'll repeat again the requirement. There are total 3 tables. Courses, staff and students. Students referencing courses, staff referencing courses. I was giving an example yesterday. You remember, friends, like a restaurant example. Please, you remember now, everyone? Restaurant example, relation. Yes, please, let me know, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Let's continue. So create table, courses table, STD ID, name, age, and course. Create table, students table with student ID unique. Unique means does not allow duplicates and allow up to 1 null value. Name does not allow null values. Age minimum it should be 18. Right? And course ID. References. What is this? Something new for us. References means link. Students table, student course ID should match with courses table, course ID. For example, we go to a restaurant. We order some food items based on the menu, right? Isn't it? The order we place should be based on the menu. Isn't it? Order and menu should be linked together. Same way. The student should be enrolled for a valid available course. Right? Observe carefully. In the menu right now, in the menu, let's create the menu first. I have computers, robotics. Okay. I'll quickly truncate table. I'll quickly truncate the table and provide the proper menu. Okay, here it is. Computers, robotics, 2 different values. Only 2, nothing else. Remaining you get error. Now, there are only 2 courses, okay? 101 computers, 102 robotics. Now, students need to enter, students need to register for the course. I am a student, okay? My name is Sai. My ID was allocated to be 1001 on my screen. Observe carefully. My age 34. It's 42 actually, okay? Let me correct it. Now, 101. What is 101? I am a student and I'm enrolling for computers course. How do we know it's computers? Because 101 in the menu, it is computers, right? Please, are we getting it now? I'll wait. Create table first. Insert. Are we getting it? Please, I'll wait. Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's continue. Next, see, second, third, fourth tables. So every student is enrolling for a valid, available course. 2 things there, valid and available course. Yes, next, select from students table. One more thing. So right now, there are total 4 students, right? Isn't it? Total 4 students enrolled for valid available course. First 2 students registered for computers course. Next 2 students registered for, come on, which course it is? Robotics, right? Isn't it? 102 robotics. Next, how to test unique key. Remember, unique key means column does not allow duplicates.
Duplicates.
Yes, exactly. Now 1004 already allocated by Johnny or already allocated to Johnny. Miss Jenny cannot use that ID anymore. So error. Reason, invalid ID. Sindhu M, please check your mic, please. Please help me. How to test foreign key. Miss Jenny wanted to enroll for a course called 9999, but unfortunately, in the menu, I mean in the main table, courses table, there is no course ID called 9999. So this registration fails. I cannot order biryani in a Chinese restaurant, right? Isn't it? Same thing here. We need to go for fried rice only, not biryani there. Same thing. I mean, the order and the menu item should match. Here, the course ID and the student course ID should match. That is called reference. Now, let's test where we are. I want you to try creating a staff table now. Please give a try. Please sing with me now carefully. Let's try together. Please help me now. Please help me. Quick, I'll wait, please. What I have to do? Create table. Come on, please, everyone, please.
Staff table.
Create table. TBL staff. Next. Yes. Next. Staff ID of type, say primary key. Right. Next. Staff name of varchar not null. Next.
Staff age.
Yeah, staff age. Remember data types earlier. Tiny int. Remember, please, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Staff
For
course
our
ID.
understanding purpose, I said age int earlier, but practically speaking, good to have tiny int, right? What's the range? You remember, please? Range.
256.
Range. Yes, 255.
255. Yeah.
Next. Staff course ID.
Course ID.
Yes. Int references. References means foreign key link.
Yes.
What? Courses table. Which column? Course ID column.
Course ID. Student course ID.
Exactly. So course ID column. Course ID. courses table menu. Staff should be recruited for valid course. See there carefully now. I'll wait. Mani Chandra, please check your mic, sir. Please check your mic, please. Okay, next. Create table, staff table like this. What next? We insert the data. Insert into staff table values. Which values we can insert? Remember, 101 means courses, computer. 102 robotics. Isn't it? See here. I'll show the menu option again. I'll show you menu option again. Observe carefully. See here now. Courses table ready. 101 computers, 102 civil. Robotics, sorry. Now insert into staff table ID. 1001 or 10,001, whatever. Name. For example, John is a staff member. Age 30. Course. If I give something like 9999, will it work or not? Please, please, will it work or not?
No. It
No,
won't
it
work.
won't work. Why? There is no course called 9999, right? 101 it works. What does it mean? The staff member
Computers.
is being recruited for which course? For
Computers.
Computers.
computers course. Observe carefully. Same way. Next. Recruited for robotics course. Please, please check your mic, please. Robotics course. Okay. Next, let's continue. Now, please observe carefully. 1002. Okay, like this. Johnny in this way. And I'll say 1000. 102. 102 means robotics. Please observe carefully now. Both students table, left side, staff table, right side, both are linked to common single table, courses table. Are we getting it, please? I'll wait, please. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Others, please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Fine, let's continue. Participants who are not responsive, please, please, for my sake, please practice, please help me. Requesting every day, please practice on time, please. Now let's understand staff table with minor add-ons. Let me scroll down to query number 14. Create table, staff table, staff ID, primary key, something called identity. Yesterday's class number 8. Identity means sequence value. Let me show it again. Yesterday's class number 8. Identity property means automated sequence of values, serial numbers. Okay, next, name, not null. Gender, not null. Check. Gender will be either male or female. Default is female. Default. Hope you remember default, everyone. Please, I'll wait. Default.
Mhm.
Default.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No problem, friends. Long ago, day for yesterday's class, sorry, last week, last class, we learned data types. There in data types, we learned about something called default. Remember now, please. Number 5. Yes, remember now. Default. Yes, you remember now. Default. I didn't mention any value. What happened? It came default automatically as a current date and time, right? Please, hope you remember now. Timestamp data type, default.
Yes, sir.
Please, I'll wait. Hope you remember
Yes, sir.
now.
Yeah.
Please. Yep.
Yes.
Yes, means for example, while filling any online registration form, if you don't mention any value, it takes default value automatically. The same thing here. Default F means if we don't insert any value to this gender column on my screen, it takes default value F automatically. And course ID, every staff should be enrolled for, recruited for a valid available course, right? See here, staff table. Now observe carefully. Insert into staff values. Remember, ID is identity, right? Automated insert, automated sequence value, 1,01,000, 1,02,000, 1,03,000, so on. And just provide name, gender, course ID. Name, gender, and course ID like this. Insert data and select. Insert data and select like this. Now, how to insert default values into gender column? See here. Column number 4. So column number 3, gender column has default value F. How do we get it? Very simple. While filling any online registration form, we take care of remaining fields. Whatever fields we ignore, we'll get the default value, right? If default is mentioned. Same thing here. We need to supply remaining columns and their values. Missing columns will take default values automatically. See here. Insert into table name values. See, name, course ID, and values. Which value? Required name and course ID. So column names and their relevant values. What is missing? Come on, friends. What is missing here? Gender is missing, right? Check it. It takes default value automatically. Of course, ID is also missing. It will take default value, that is sequence, auto-generated. How do we verify? Select from table name and see 1,01,000, 1,02,000, 1,03,000. That 1,03,000 third staff member has default staff gender F. I repeat the rule again. We need to supply remaining columns and their values. Missing columns will take default values automatically. So far we learned number 1, courses table yesterday, and today we learned student staff related to course. See here, students reference means relation to course. Same way staff related reference to course. Total there are 3 tables. Now let's take a scenario. You joined a project and someone gave you the access to the database on day 1. Someone means your SME, subject matter expert SME or lead or manager. They gave you access to the database. And we know how to verify the tables, right? Right click, refresh, last week basics. Go to database and we see the tables. Let's expand, let's verify. Taking some time. Let's verify. Let's refresh. This one, right? This one. Let's expand tables. And we know how to verify the list of schemas and tables. But our requirement now, so brand new project for us, you would like to know the relation between the tables. Please, you got the requirement, everyone? Please, I'll wait. You got the requirement, please, everyone? Please, how to identify relation between the tables? Yes, please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got the requirement? Please, I'll wait, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Right click. Hope you are writing your notes. I already gave you this complete notes yesterday on email. Good to write your observation notes if you can, please, as usual. Right click. New database diagram. See here, something new. Right click. New database diagram like this. Click. It says this database does not have one or more supported objects required for database diagramming. Do you wish to create them? Click yes. Click yes. Let's wait for some time. See here. Select all tables. Select all tables and add. Click on add. I repeat what we did. Right click database diagram and new diagram. Select required tables and add. Once we click add, we get the required tables automatically ready. Let's wait for some time. Let's wait for some time. And we get the list of tables along with the relations automatically like this. See here in this way. Okay, I repeat again. Right click, new database diagram. What next? Select required tables, add, close. Okay, close. Now we get the relation automatically. It says students related to course, staff related to course. This is the concept. Now what are these symbols, key symbols? That downward key means primary key. Remember, please shake your mic. Please help me, please. Downward key means primary key. Remember, for students table, I didn't define any primary key. If required, we can set it here. Set primary key, optional. This upward arrow mark is upward key is there, right? That is foreign key, relationship. Now things are very interesting. Observe carefully, because this diagram plays a vital role in our later classes: performance tuning, troubleshooting, data modeling, etc. Small chain symbol is there, right? Right click, new text annotation. Annotation means comment. This is child table. Child table. I repeat again. Here it is. Child table. Child means child table. And this is parent table. For this relation, left relation, key parent, chain child. Remember. Same way here also. Observe carefully. So for every relation, there will be a child and a parent. If relation changes, child and or parent may change. I repeat, for every relation, there will be a parent table and a child table. We can identify them by the symbols. Chain means child, remember. Key means parent. There is another alternative method to verify it. There is another alternative method to verify it. Right click, properties. Right click properties, and we see here table column specification. See here, friends. Table column specification. Foreign key table, foreign key column is linked to reference by primary key or unique key table, unique key column. This means to define a foreign key, we need either primary key or unique key. Without primary key or unique key, we cannot define foreign key. This is our next concept. I repeat, without primary key or unique key, we cannot have foreign key. Very simple logic, friends. Very simple logic. What does primary key and unique key signifies? Uniqueness. We go to a restaurant, the same old restaurant example. The menu items should be unique, right? Then only I can peacefully place the order. If menu items are not unique, forget about me. The person who is taking the order will get confused. Hope you agree with me. I mean, the menu item should be unique for proper and streamlined order. Here there should be uniqueness in the courses table course ID. Then only it will be acting as a reference parent for staff table or students table. So right click properties. Students table, student course ID, references courses table course ID. This particular screen is very important for our later classes, query tuning, data modeling, etc. I'll wait for some time. I repeat once again, just in case, to proceed for the questions. Right click, new database diagram, select required tables, add, and we get the relation automatically. To get the comments, right click, new text annotation. Chain symbol means child table. Key means parent table. Any questions, please let me know. I'll wait. Over to you now, please. I'll wait. Questions, please. I'll wait for. Tell me, sir.
I do have a question. Are we missing one of the tables? I think there was supposed to be a table staff.
This one, brother. Table staff is there here, right? Yes.
No. Table exams.
No, we had to create it, right? We created only 3 tables right now.
Okay.
Yes. In our notes that was sent yesterday, I had exams table also. We had to create it. We had to go there. We are still at the staff table only right now, sir.
Okay, because my own, the 4 of them came when I did the database
I understand.
diagram.
You are fast
Okay.
for examples. You are fast forward. You are learning slowly. Okay. Yes.
All right. Thanks.
After staff table, as per the notes, database diagram, sir. After that, we'll go for exams table next. We'll do one by one. Yes. We'll do it, sir. Next item. Next item. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine. Let's continue.
So,
now,
yeah, small
tell me,
question.
please.
Yeah,
Tell
if
me,
we
please.
define our primary key here at the diagram level, does it reflect in the script? Or
Right click, set
right
primary key. If you try to save, it will be saved in the diagram only, not in the actual database. No, it will not.
it will not.
Only for reference purpose. Okay. If you really want to add primary key, that's our very next concept. My other friend is talking about exams table, right? There I was mentioning it. We'll take it next example now. We'll do.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
fourth example, yesterday's class notes. We'll see. Yeah. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine. Let's continue. So let's connect to the database again. Back to the database. And next. Additional examples for more practice optional. How to create exams table. I'll wait for some time. Please go through it carefully once, please. I'll wait. Exams table, please go through it. Exam ID 10 int. Exam date, I want today's date. See the date, data type. Duration, it will be usually in minutes, right? 120 or 180 minutes. So I can use 10 int. And course ID. How to add a primary key to existing table. How to add a primary key? Firstly, make it not null. We have to make the exam ID or the required column to be not null. Then only add constraint. By the way, do you remember last week classes? Alter table, table name, add. Please, do you remember alter table, table name? This one, alter table, table name, alter
Yes,
column, column name. You remember, please? Last week, last class.
yes, sir. Yeah, we
Yes, sir.
added column and defined the
Change
column
the data type.
data type. Mhm.
Exactly, changing the data type, we learnt it, right? Yes, alter table, table name, alter column, column name, new data type. Now one more add-on today, not null. This also we learned last week, alter table, table name, add column. Remember please, last week classes, please.
Yes, sir.
Fourth chapter. Yes, here add constraint, constraint name. We can add a primary key constraint, give a name, or a foreign key constraint. Give whatever name you want. I repeat, alter table, table name, add constraint, constraint name, constraint type, and the column. Same way, add constraint, constraint name, constraint type, and required column. On which column? On course ID column. What else? References. See, foreign key means it should reference a parent, right? So parent table, parent column. Please by heart these new mantras carefully today. Alter table, table name, alter column, column name. Right? Last week classes. Now alter table, table name, alter column, column name, not null. Something new. Same way, alter table, table name, add column name last week. Today, add constraint, constraint name, constraint type. Here also, constraint name, constraint type. But for foreign key, we need parent, reference, and insert data. You want to verify this? Right click, refresh. Or right click database diagram, new diagram. This is the problem. See here. There are 4 tables, but in the diagram you will see only 3 tables. So what you do? Simple. Right click, refresh. This will resolve the problem. Right click, refresh, and new database diagram. If in case you don't see that newly added table still after refresh, no problem at all. Click on the refresh on top, this one, top, click refresh, this one. The small arrow mark is there, right? Click on that refresh, it works. Click on refresh and then it works. Let me show you here. So go to refresh and then go to Please, Sindhu, please shake your mic, madam, please. Sindhu M, please shake your mic, madam, please. Sindhu M. I repeat again, click on refresh. It is going to work for sure. Okay, next. Once you click refresh, now what you do, just refresh it and expand database. Let's wait. Expand the database, tables, verify that we see the table inside the table structure first. Right click new database. Still, if you don't see, just in case, usually refresh will work. If you don't see this exams table still, no problem. Refresh, you get it now. Okay, this refresh, it works. Select, add. So refresh on top, if not refresh here. Try both refresh, it works. Click close. Are we getting it, please? I'll wait. And this is the updated diagram for us. Yes, please. Are we getting it now? I'll wait, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll stop for now. Please practice all these items carefully and do let me know for doubts, clarifications. Please do help me. Practice everything slowly, step by step, please. Any questions, let me know. I'll wait for some time, please. I'll wait. Any questions, please let me know. I'll wait. We'll stop for today. Please practice carefully all these items. Okay, please practice carefully all these items and do let me know for questions if any, and tell me, can we have a friendly mock test tomorrow, please? Please, everyone, please, I'll wait. Can we have a friendly mock test tomorrow, please? I'll wait. Can we? Please, I'll wait for some time.
Yes, sir.
Please let me know. Can we,
Yes,
please?
sir.
I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice time. You already have the notes with you sent yesterday, right? Please practice carefully. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you.